In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set status-based multiple conditions in Monday.com. If you're looking to elevate your project management game and streamline your workflow on Monday.com, you've clicked on the right tutorial. Let's dive into this step-by-step process, ensuring you can easily follow along. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to access your account. Click on Login at the top right corner of the page. If you enjoy the convenience of unified sign-ins, choose the option to log in using your Google account. Simply click on the Google option and select your account from the drop-down list. After logging in, direct your attention to your board. This is where we're going to create our formula. Go to the board that you want to work with. Once there, find the table where you want to add the new functionality. To kick things off, look for the plus icon in your table's column header. This icon allows you to add a new column, so let's click on that. Now, you should see an array of options for different types of columns you can create. Scroll through until you spot the Formula option. This feature is incredibly powerful as it allows you to implement custom calculations based on your board's data. Click on Formula to move forward. Once you've clicked on the Formula column type, it's time to configure it. Locate the AI Assistant tab in the interface. This tab leverages machine learning to help you craft your queries more intuitively, so click on it to bring up the necessary interface. Now comes the exciting part, where we set up our status-based conditions. In the provided text field, input the query that pertains to your needs. This is where you define the conditions that affect the status updates on your board. Craft the query carefully so it correctly reflects the logic you want to apply. If you're not entirely sure about the syntax, the AI Assistant can be a helpful guide. When you're satisfied with your query, click on Insert. This action integrates your newly crafted query into the board's functionality. After inserting the query, make sure everything looks good and aligns with your expected logic. The next step will set everything into motion. Finally, go ahead and click on Set Formula. This final step activates your conditions and implements them across your board's data. It empowers your workflow to adapt based on the criteria you've provided. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on setting up status-based multiple conditions in Monday.com. By following these steps, you can customize your work environment to dynamically respond to changing project statuses, making your work life not only more efficient, but also a lot easier. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore more ways to optimize your workflow on Monday.com.